Assembling of airless automatic spray gun. The gun body is taken. The black seal is placed inside it. A Teflon sheet is placed inside it, one quantity. Second set of air seal is placed above the Teflon. The Teflon is inserted into the packing cap, and the needle gets inserted. It is placed inside the gun body. And it is tightened using screwdriver. The needle is inserted into the metal washer and it is tightened. The metal washer is placed above it and the air seal is placed above it. The needle gets inserted into the gun body. With a little press, it goes inside the gun body. The spring is inserted and the gun cap is covered with gun body. Packing cap is fixed with O-ring and it is tightened. Assembly of airless automatic spray gun is completed.